Welcome back. What are we doing again?
Let's go to the track, fuck it.
Let's go to the track. We are back. It's been a minute. I honestly don't remember where the hell anything goes anymore. It's been so long.
Yep, pretty lost.
We had a big argument, me and this guy here. Basically,
Remember the last video where he didn't want to work?
I didn't like the way he painted.
That's what started everything, man.
And I told him, look, man, if we're gonna work together, you're gonna have to start painting better. So he agreed. I put him in his place. Look at this, man. We got all this stuff just laying around. Man, this guy got a guitar.
Hey, no, don't put that in there.
Oh.
I'm just kidding, man. I'm joking.
Random. Let's go check out the truck, though, man. It's been a minute. Here, we're back here with the truck. Check it out. Check out this beautiful paintwork. Roadrunner Garage, man. You need that orange peel? We got you. We got you.
Got the best orange peel in town, dog.
So what are we doing first?
We're gonna lift that engine so we can put it back on the stand.
Alright, let's lift that engine then. We're back here about to lift this engine up. Put it up on this sucker right here, this engine stand. We ran out of what do you even put in there? Hydraulic fluid?
Yeah.
Hydraulic fluid, so we used a substitute here, some good stuff, power steering fluid. And let's hope it gets the job done. Got the motor just chilling out here. I'm gonna put it up on here.
Level out as best as I can.
Yep. What do you think? More?
Yeah.
There's more? Here.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna give me a bolt?
Cool?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, check it out. We got the block back on. Alright, now where's the crank at? So what are we gonna do first?
Right?
Put the crank in?
Yeah, well, we gotta clean it now.
Oh, yeah. Building a little bit of rust on it. Clean it up.
Been vacationing too long, bro.
Yep. That's it. That's it, man. For any of those that are curious as to why it's been a while since we posted, is because, like you said, man, I went on a little vacation / work thing. And, but now I'm back. We gotta finish this up, get this thing rolling. Because if not, it's gonna end up sitting there. Just use the crest, there you go. Alright, so we pulled out the pistons here. We were gonna try to put the crankshaft on over here, but we also wanted to make sure, or check the clearance by getting some plastic gauge, and unfortunately, had a little bit of miscommunication with all of that. So we don't have it right now. So we just pulled out the pistons over here, cleaned them up a little bit, and we got the piston rings right here. We're gonna try to get those set up. What are you doing, bro? Don't you know Mexicans don't read instructions?
Yeah, you're right, man. Hey, this isn't even English, man.
Wait, that's not even English?
Not even English.
Let's make sure real quick. Hold on. What is this? Oh, this is English. That's not English.
Hey, do you guys know how to put these back together, man? You do. Comment.
Comment down below. How do we set up these pistons? We got, what do we got in there?
Upper. We got the
What are those?
We're gonna have to backtrack in our
Right. There's some squiggly ones, and then there's some straight ones.
There's some thicker, smaller ones, dog.
Man, I'm lost
Just
already.
slap them in there, man.
I'm lost already. Slap them. You just put them however. If it fits, it should be good. Where's the manual at? I think we gotta set it up in a certain way, right? What we got going on? You got it?
Yeah, putting these piston rings together. One scraper goes on the bottom.
Got some scraper rings there.
Oh yeah, man.
Here we go. Guys, pro, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Dang.
That's it.
The professional.
That's it. So that one's on.
That one's finished.
And was it the one with the pin stayed on top?
Yeah, the one that's just, the one that has the dot goes on the top, tippy top. And
Let me see my shop rack, man. My hands are fucking dirty.
you just put that in the wrong slot.
Did I? Sorry. I have to get all the bottoms together. Is that cool with you?
Nope. Alright, so this is what we got done so far off camera. We just put all the piston rings on the pistons and stuff. Just got that ready. Check the gap. Everything seems to check out alright. So I guess that's gonna be it for today. What do you think, man? Successful day. Good to be back.
Pretty good. Yeah, good to be back.
Didn't get to do much, but hopefully we'll finish up
surprised you actually wanted to work today, man.
Damn. This guy's rude, man. He's been rude all day.
I'm glad you're back, man.
Hell yeah. Back at it. Let's get this done. So next time we're going to get the plastic gauge, hopefully. Get the crank on. Put these pistons in. Move from there.
That's it.
See you later.
Later.